UAE is set to welcome over 6,700 millionaires in 2024. Why are they choosing the UAE and what's driving this migration? Let's break it down. First, 6,700 new millionaires means a massive wealth injection, with assets ranging from 1 million to 100 million or more. They will invest in property, businesses, and market boosting the UAE's economy. But what's attracting this level of investment? It's a unique mix of factors. Zero income tax, helping them maximize their wealth. The Golden Visa program, offering long-term stability for investors and families. A luxury lifestyle, unmatched infrastructure, safety, and comfort. And the UAE's strategic location, connecting continents as a global hub. So why are they leaving their home countries? Three main reasons: political instability and unpredictable economics, high taxation driving them elsewhere, and the UAE's unique potential for innovation and investment. The UAE is becoming a magnet for global wealth, offering safety, stability, and opportunity. How will this influx shape the nation's future? Let's talk about it in the comments.